Hello and welcome to Graphics Illusion. Today we will explore state management in Flutter using Redux. Redux is a powerful tool for managing the state of our app. Let's take an example of a shopping cart in our app. Imagine we have a main screen where we create the cart and we want to make changes to that cart in subcomponents. Passing the cart down through multiple subcomponents become cumbersome and error prone. This is where state management tools like Redux come in to simplify the process. In Redux, we create a separate store that holds our app state. This store acts as a centralized container for our data. So, instead of passing the cart down between components, we store it in this Redux store. The beauty of Redux is that we can make changes to that stored state from any component in our app, whether it's a main component or a subcomponent of another subcomponent. We can even fetch the data in any component without the need of passing down the state through subcomponents. Redux consists of four main components. Store. We define a store to hold our state. It's separate from our app and contains the data we want to store, such as our cart. Actions. We define actions to change or manipulate the state. For example, we can create an add item action to add an item to the cart, or a remove item action to reduce an item from the cart. Dispatch. When we want to perform any action, we use dispatch. Dispatch takes an action and sends it to the reducers. Now, reducers receive the dispatched action and act accordingly. They check the type of action received and update the state accordingly. In our case, when we dispatch the add item action, the reducer adds an item to the cart. Similarly, when we dispatch the remove item action, the reducer removes the item from the cart. Suppose we have a cart in Flutter and we want to manage it using Redux. The cart data will be stored in the store. We define actions such as add item to add an item to the cart and remove item to remove an item. Then we will define a reducer that handles these actions and updates the cart accordingly. In practice, to add an item to the cart, we will dispatch the add item action, passing the item data as a parameter. Dispatch then sends this action to the reducer. The reducer receives the action, performs the necessary operation, and updates the cart by adding the item. Similarly, we can dispatch the remove item action to remove an item from the cart. The reducer, upon receiving this action, removes the specified item from the cart. By using dispatch and reducers, we can easily manage the state of our app, such as cart, without the need for complex data passing between components. Now let's implement this concept in Flutter and witness how Redux simplifies state management in our app.